Elementor is the leading drag-and-drop page builder for WordPress, powering a significant percentage of all WordPress websites. It revolutionizes how you create pages by allowing visual design without any coding knowledge. Getting started with Elementor is simple. First, create a new page in your WordPress dashboard. Then click the Edit with Elementor button to launch the visual editor. The Elementor interface is built on a simple three-level hierarchy. Sections are horizontal containers that span the width of your page. Columns divide sections vertically, and widgets are the actual content elements you place inside columns. The magic happens in the drag-and-drop functionality. Simply select widgets like headings, text blocks, images, or buttons from the left panel and drag them onto your page. The intuitive interface makes it easy to position elements exactly where you want them. One of Elementor's most powerful features is live editing. Every change you make appears instantly on your page, allowing you to see exactly how your design will look to visitors. This real-time feedback makes the design process intuitive and efficient. Elementor is the perfect DIY solution, especially for those with zero coding skills. It enables faster time to market and significantly reduces development costs, making professional web design accessible to everyone. Elementor's theme builder is a powerful feature that lets you customize your entire website beyond individual pages. You can design headers, footers, single post templates, and more to create a cohesive site-wide experience. To access the theme builder, navigate to Templates, then Theme Builder in your WordPress dashboard. From here, you can create custom templates for different parts of your site, including headers, footers, archive pages, and individual post layouts. Dynamic content is one of Theme Builder's most powerful features. It allows you to create templates that automatically populate with your posts, products, or custom content. This means you design once, and the template adapts to display different content automatically. Elementor is now integrating AI-powered tools that can assist with content generation, image optimization, and SEO suggestions. These AI features can automate design aspects, suggest layout improvements based on user behavior, and optimize elements for better performance. Elementor offers a vast library of pre-designed templates to jumpstart your website creation. These professional templates cover various industries and use cases, from business websites to e-commerce stores, saving you time while ensuring high-quality design. Responsive design is crucial for modern websites. Elementor's theme builder ensures your templates look perfect on all devices: desktop, tablet, and mobile. You can customize breakpoints and optimize the user experience for every screen size, ensuring smooth browsing across all devices.